Turn right on Riverside Drive, then take the first left. Turn left at the stop sign, then take the first right.
Now what he said, turn
What?
right at the stop sign?
Turn left.
Turn left? Because it says straight there. Oh, that's probably one.
Turn right at the stop sign. In 1/4 mile, turn right on West 122nd Street. Turn right at the stop sign.
This is General Grant's Memorial, and for some reason it seems to be closed. Not only is the tomb closed, but so is the visitor center. So onward we go.
This is the tomb of Ulysses S. Grant, who was born in Point Pleasant, Ohio, down on the Ohio River. And the big joke is, who's buried in Grant's tomb? And who do you think's buried in Grant's tomb? Grant. As usual, when we go to visit something, it's closed. And they even closed the tomb because of COVID. And I'm pretty sure neither Grant nor his wife would catch it. But yet again, we can't get in to see the inside.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and give a thumbs up.